Hello YouTube, welcome back after a very long time. Actually, I was really busy, that's why I was unable to upload video on YouTube. So today, after a long time, I have some surprise for you. So the surprise is OnePlus 6T. So today I'm gonna unbox this phone. Actually, I've already opened this and I've unboxed, but I wanted to open in front of the camera as well. So let's not waste time and open this right now. Actually, I can't wait to in front of the camera. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Firstly, I'm gonna remove this plastic. Here's the plastic. So here it says. Let me put it aside. So this is OnePlus 6T. Let's open it. So here's the phone. अभी मैं इसको साइड में रखता हूँ, पहले देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या क्या है. C type cable, dash charger और एक dongle for earphone. Actually ये अंदर की तरफ है. Earphone dongle. Message from CEO of OnePlus. और इसके अंदर है बैक केस, SIM ejector tool, safety information and all user guide. That's all it is. So now let's keep all these up beside and boot our phone for the first time. बूट हो चुका है, अब मैं इसको खोलता हूँ. सो टच काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्मूथ है. ये डैश चार्जर है, ये हमारा फ़ोन को बहुत ही जल्दी चार्ज कर देगा, जिसकी वजह से हम बहुत आसानी से पूरे दिन अपना फ़ोन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. और ये रहा हमारा ईयरफोन डोंगल. So now let's take the face unlock of this phone. It's opened. It's really good.